In this video, we will show you two examples to add borders and shading to emphasize text and word. Let's get started with the first example first. Let's go ahead and center the name and contact information. We're going to make the name bold, and we're going to go ahead and insert a circle bullet symbol between the email address and phone number. And between the phone number and zip code. We are going to make the experience text bold, and we're going to go ahead and add a bottom border by clicking the arrow next to the borders button and selecting bottom border. We're going to make bold and italicize the position title, and we're going to add bullet points to the key details. In our next example, we're going to show you how to add shading to emphasize your text. As you can see, the name and contact information are aligned to the right, and the section titles are centered, two of which have shading. So we're going to go ahead and add shading to the education text. Click Borders and Shading. Click Shading. Select a color under the category Fill. Apply to paragraph and click OK. You can add a top border, you can add a bottom border, or outside borders. Let's add a bottom border to the name with a different width. Let's click Borders and Shading. Let's change the width, and let's select the bottom border under the preview box, apply to paragraph, and click OK. If you like this video, like and subscribe for upcoming videos for quick and easy demonstrations. Click the bell icon to get notified as soon as a new video is posted.